Dr. Deuk at the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my patients who just had the Deuk laser disc repair for his lower back. You can see he's a die-hard Boise, Idaho state fan, right?
Yeah, I am.
So what brought you to Florida to get your back fixed? Why did you choose Deuk Spine Institute?
Well, I lived with this for the past 3 years. Started out as pins and needles, and then it turned to burning, and it got to the point I was desperate, and so I was reaching out to anything I could find, and I discovered Deuk Spine Institute via YouTube. I was thrilled to death because you can actually get to know Dr. Deuk via YouTube a little bit because he answered questions on videos, and I said, that's the guy that I need.
And now you're here just 24 hours later. You had your surgery outpatient at Deuk Spine. We used a laser to get in there and clean out a couple of your bad discs. We unpinched the nerve going down your leg. How does your leg feel today in terms of the pain you had shooting down it?
It's gone, 100%. I had a good night's sleep for the first time in 3 years last night.
Wow.
Yep.
In a hotel room?
Actually, my daughter's.
Oh, your daughter. Okay,
yeah.
very good. So you stayed with your daughter?
Yes.
Awesome. The back pain, how's that back pain
Actually,
you had?
I never really had back pain. Mine was all referred pain down my left leg and foot.
Excellent. All right, good. So here you are, outpatient surgery the next day, doing well, walking around. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. Now, I had open back surgery back in '97. This is night and day different from open back surgery. It took me a year to recover from that, and here I feel like I've never even had anything done yesterday. I feel great.
Yeah, did you have a laminectomy? Is that what that was?
Yes.
In the back? Yeah.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
All right, good. Well, anything you want to say to your fans out there?
Well, I've already said it to my oldest brother, but I'll say it to my fans. If you're having anything chronic, back-wise, leg-wise, this is the place. This is the place you need to check out and come to, because I traveled, well, it's about 3,000 miles from Boise, Idaho to here, and it was worth every cent of the travel, and, you know, because he does miracles, folks, he really does.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. I've got a great team, and they make me look good, so I appreciate your comments.
Yeah, you do have a great team. I'll just say that on camera because I've felt so good here.
Thank you.